Kublai pi baro kini long ki kubor bam takasngi. Umentri rang ba akajala u Konrad ge sangma habakran ha kajingpli ya ke yeng barang shudap Shna thamai haplau jong ka High Court Meghalaya la ong ba ka sorkar kala Pynlut palat arspa Klur tingka Haduh menta ban penbiang ya ke yeng Bishar ha Meghalaya. Ha gani kasngi ka menteri ketunan an jong ka jela ka Dr. Mazal Amperin Ningdo kala don lang kentuk u menteri ketunat puli urakam marang ya ke jengkran priang buram la krandu Justice HS Thank you u Justice W Dingdo nadu u Chief Secretary ke jela uba DP wa langbat kiwe de abakran nagani ke jingpli ke yeng bathamai jongka High Court Meghalaya ka Shna ka jingnut ka balakot syaka saupsan Klur tingka u menteri rangba ula pente ba Basyan ka sorkar kan sedang Shna no ya ka Secretariat Syamau ka siang New Shillong Township. Hagati ka jaka ban Shna ya ka Meghalaya Secretariat ka sorkar kalamang ya ka jaka bante ya ka Judicial Academy bad ya ka National Law University. Umentri rangba uloong ba kidang donbun ki benta ki badang hable kila persang banne wedang bun ki kam haban pendam.
Almost close to 18 to 19 crores has already been invested in the infrastructure out here. We expect total about 25 crores to be spent in the infrastructure that is being provided here. About a running expenditure annually of anything beyond above about 8 crores will be given from the government to run this university. So close to about 10 crores of running expenditure will be incurred annually, and therefore quite a strong financial support will be given. We are also working out to give a permanent campus, and very soon that will happen, because government of Meghalaya is working on a large plan. I think all of you are aware that we will be shifting our secretariat and administration away from the city, and we have already identified close to 200 acres of land where the initial design has started, and we should be able to complete it and formally clear it by September. And I hope that by the end of this financial year, we'll actually be able to start the construction work for the secretariat, that is going to come up in the next 3 to 5 years is what we're targeting. But while we do that, we also realize that a lot of plan and investment needs to be put into zoning the city. And whatever we are going to do in the new township, we are trying to create many zones. So obviously by zones we mean like education, knowledge zone, like an IT zone, like an industrial zone, a tech park. So all these kind of things, zoning is going to happen. And we plan to create the education and the knowledge zone in the Mopadang area, in New Shillong Township area, which we're doing. And that is where we want the NLU also to be there. We're talking to a lot of medical colleges who would be willing to come and be part of this out there. We would want to see that the brand and the image that Shillong used to have many years back as being a knowledge hub, we hope that we'll be able to achieve that in the coming years.